Good evening students, welcome back to channel Exact and hope you all are fine. So what about your IELTS test preparation? I hope the videos available in our channel and which we are uploading is helpful in your IELTS exam preparation. So if you want any more content means you can just comment that below. Now in this section we are planning to discuss about the best test date or the available test date for September 2024. I got messages related to that. It's almost 15th. After watching this video, you will be clear about the best test date for academic and also for the general module. So based on your requirement, you can just move on with the test dates. So first of all, we will see which all are the available test date globally for September 2024. So prior to that, if you are planning to write your exam from September onwards, the reading ebook available for academic and general module. Academic version volume 2 we released specifically for September to December requirement. So you will get 60 passages with the answer key. Those who already brought volume 1, they asked whether there is any repetition of passages. There is no any repetition of passages in volume 2. It will be new 60 passages. So if you buy volume 1 and volume 2 together means that will be more than enough for your practice purpose, because you will get 120 passages along with the answer key. Okay, that will be updated passage which you can expect in your real exam. If you cross-check with the last month's, most of the passages asked from our reading ebook. For general module, single edition is available now. That is volume 1, which including 60 passages with answer keys. So if you want to purchase these books means try to contact via the WhatsApp number and you can just get your copy. It charges $499. Along with that, I just want to mention regarding this freedom offer available till 12 p.m. 15th August. That is, if you buy both the volume together means you will get 100 rupees discount. That means you will get it for 899. Okay, or else it will charge 999. Okay, so you can just contact via the number as soon as possible and try to grab your copies. Now we will see about the September 2024, which all are the test dates available. First is 7th September 2024, Saturday with academic only. And 14th September, second test date, Saturday again with academic and general. 19th September, third test date, Thursday with academic only. And the last test date, 28th September 2024, Saturday with academic and general module. So these are the 4 different test dates available in the month of September. Okay, as per the current update. So we will check out with each and every test date and which will be the best for academic and general version. So without further delay, we will start with our section. So coming towards the first test date, 7th September 2024, it's an academic only test date. Overall, the test will be in easy to moderate level. If you are ready to give your exams means you can just book your seats as soon as possible. Overall, the test will not be so hard. It will be in easy to moderate level. It's an academic only test date. While talking about the listening section, you can expect fill-up type of question in different format like form completion, not completion, even map completion format. Then MCQs, short and long MCQs, and matching type of question. And each and every category or the audio type in detail, these all things we will discuss in preparation guide for the specific day. This video is to let you know regarding the general overview about the test day. So you can just move on your preparations accordingly. So listening section will be in easy to moderate level. And reading also will be in easy to moderate level. One of the passage will be new passage, okay, and it will be little bit moderate level. Other than that, the 2 of the passages you can expect the repeated passage, okay, mostly from our ebook. We hope for that. And the question category will be fill-up type of question. Then matching type of question, they can ask you in different format like list of heading and also which paragraph contain these information. And sometimes they will give a list of people or item in a box and you need to cross it. So you can expect more fill-up type of question and different categories of matching type of question. And other than that, 3 to 4 MCQs and the true false not given. These are the categories you need to give more attention towards. So if you find difficulty to solve any of this category, means you can just cross check our playlist for reading tips and tricks, and also we done the reading passage discussion, so you will get an idea related to how to solve each and every category of question. Other than that, if you need one-to-one training and the thorough knowledge related to how to crack each and every category of question, means we have an exclusive section for reading, that is one-to-one section for 10 days. You can join for that. While coming towards the writing section, in task 1, this time you need to give more attention towards infographic structure, line bar, table and all. And for task 2, either opinion type essay or discussion with opinion category. So that's about the overview about the first test date, 7th September 2024. Anyway, the test will not be so hard or even moderate, plus you can expect an easy to moderate level. Okay, so you completed your preparation and you are scoring 30 above in your listening and reading in your home setup, means you can just book your seat. Now we will come towards the second test date, that is 14th September 2024. It's an academic and general module test date. For academic section, this will be the super easy section, we can say, comparatively with other section. Overall, all the modules will be easy. And for general module candidate, we can see it is in easy to moderate level. Okay, now about the listening section, you will get to the question categories like fill up type of question, mostly one word only fill up type of question. Then there is less chance to get map completion type of question and all. Mostly they will ask for short and long MCQs, matching type of question, then selection of later category. For one particular question, what the speaker says about this thing, they will give 5 options and you need to select 2 from that. Like that question and all you can expect in listening section. Overall, it will be easy. Now about the reading module for academic, you can expect more fill-up type of question. Even in each passage, they can ask for fill-up type of question. That will be with or without option. If they are giving options in a box, means you need to give more attention towards the synonyms, because they won't give the words directly. Mostly they will use synonym for that. So fill-up type of question, true, false not given, and even yes, no not given. They can ask in third passage and all. MCQs will be less, and matching type of question also you can expect. Okay, these are the question categories you need to concentrate. Overall, the passages will be easy to understand and the test will be in super easy. Only thing is you need to practice with updated materials. Okay, so you want to purchase our reading ebook, means you can just contact via the WhatsApp number. Or else at least try to do with the Cambridge latest edition 17, 18 and all. You will get an idea related to the test pattern and all. Okay. It's not about you need to do, you must do this Cambridge latest editions. Now about the general module reading, fill up type of question, you can expect more. Even second section and all will be fill up type of question in note or table completion and all. Other than that, matching type of question and true false not given type of question. These 3 categories you should give more attention towards. Try to read out the instruction carefully. They can ask for 1 word only or up to 2 words in fill up category. Okay, anyway, the test will be in easy to moderate level. For general module especially, you need to concentrate on the last section, that lengthy passage. Now, that is the one you need to give more attention towards. Now about the writing module, in task 1, bar, table and diagram you should concentrate, and for task 2, opinion type essay, 2-part type of question. Now also most of the students are really confused about how to deal with 2-part type of question. Actually, this is one of the easy category in our IELTS. We'll give 2 different questions. You need to answer for both. Okay, you don't want to make it vice versa and all. First part of the question should be in first body with a proper explanation and example. If you want to give more points, means you can just add on one another paragraph, or else you can just move on with the second part of the question in second body. So here in 2-part type of question, the third body paragraph is not a mandatory concept. If you want to give any additional points under any part, means you can add on, or else you can just divide the body paragraph into 2. So 2-part type of question, and along with that, opinion type essay and discussion with opinion category you need to look after. And for general module candidate, for task 1, this time formal letter. So try to follow all the rules and regulations for this formal letter, because now also the students are not opening and ending the letter properly. That is very important in case of formal letter. You need to start, yeah, they will give the salutation in the question paper itself, like dear sir or madam, you need to start over with, and try to end up like yours faithfully, and try to give a ending phrase also, looking forward to hear from you, like that something you can write as an ending phrase, and then you can sign off with yours faithfully. And try to avoid all the informal connectors or contractions or idiomatic presentation, phrasal verb, everything you need to avoid in case of formal letter. So think and write. Now about this task 2, opinion or discussion category they can ask for. So that's about the second test date. Overall for academic module, I will suggest this particular test date, and for general module also easy to moderate, we can say. Now we will move towards the third test date, 19th September 2024. Overall the test will be in moderate level. It will not be so hard and all. Actually in September month, overall the test dates will be super cool. Okay, easy to moderate or moderate, up to that only I will say. It will not be so hard or tricky and all if you practice well. It's completely based on your level also. Even though I'm saying it as easy or easy to moderate, the different students having different experience. It's completely based on their capability and how they are practicing. So for listening and reading, you need to practice with the updated materials, and you should know what are the rules and regulations and how to crack each and every category of question. For writing section, the most important thing, you need to follow exact structure. Okay, there are so many updations in the structure, and also you need to know which all are the types and what about the structure for each and every types. Okay, you should know the writing criteria also. Then about the speaking section, you need to be updated with the new cue cards and how to answer for each and every category of question, because what the examiner will expect from you, you need to meet that, then only you will get scored. For each and every category, you are following the exact pattern and you are approaching in a proper way, means definitely you can score high if you are booking for any test date. If you have a personal trainer or you are under an institute, means try to cross check with your trainer about your test date also. We are considering an average student and suggesting this particular test date, and also we are considering type of the question or the level which we are expecting. Everything we are considering and we are saying it is a best test date. If you are under an institute or trainer, means definitely you need to cross check with them, because they can suggest according to your capability. They know well about your abilities. For my students, means I know that what will be their level and what we can expect if they are giving their test. Okay, so try to take it as an outline, and if you are under an institute, means try to cross check with them. Now we will move towards the third test date, 19th September 2024. It's an academic only test date again. So the listening section and the reading section we can expect in moderate level. Okay, it will not be hard, but it will be in moderate level. For listening section, the audio will be a little bit fast in part 3 and 4. We can expect short and long MCQs and more matching type of question. Anyway, part 1 and 4 will be fill up type of question. The remaining portion I am saying, you need to concentrate much on part 2 and 3. Okay, the audio will be a little bit fast also, and you need to be familiar with different types of accent. Okay, nowadays they are not asking for this American or British only. They are moving with Canadian accent, Australian accent. So you need to be familiar with that. So whenever you practice in your home setup, you need to do in normal pace. After getting 30 above and all, you can just increase your background speed and all. Okay, now about the reading module, you can expect one of the passage easy and the remaining two will be in easy to moderate. Even though that is repeated passage, if you are not familiar with the passage, means you find so difficult to do that. And the question category will be fill-ups, matching type of question, MCQs, true false not given, and even they can ask for this short answer question. You need to answer up to 2 words. The question will be complete, like WH question and all. Like that question also they can ask for. So the listening and the reading section will be in moderate level. And coming towards the writing section, in task 1, you need to give more importance towards pie chart, the combination of pie, bar chart or else map. diachronic map they can ask for. And for task 2, opinion type essay, discussion with opinion category, and even problem solution essay. So that's about the third test date. Now we will see about the last test date, 28 September 2024. It's an academic and gender module test date, and if you are writing gender module means this will be one of the best test date we can say, 28, and you will get more time to practice also. And for academic module it will be in easy to moderate level. For listening section you can expect fill up type of question, then matching type of question, selection of letters, and also MCQs, short MCQs. We are not expecting much the large MCQ, short MCQs you can expect. And for reading module of academic, give more attention towards these passages related to science, inventions, or technology based passages and all they can ask for. That type of passages means they will ask more matching type of question in different format. Even they will give the options in a box like list of people and all, and you need to cross it, or which paragraph contain these information, like that question also they can ask for. So if you find difficulty in matching type of question means better don't attempt that particular passage initially, you can just attempt by the last. Okay, try to complete the other passages. Mostly the social relevant content and all means it will be easy to understand. The vocabulary also will be not that much advanced we can say, so try to attempt for that. Anyway, the categories will be MCQs, you can expect 3 to 4 MCQs, then fill up type of question, matching as I mentioned it will be more, then selection of later categories also. Okay, and for reading module of general, this will be the most easiest section I will say, super easy. Reading will be super easy on this 28th. The categories will be true, false, not given. Fill-ups will be more in different way, like the table or the diagram, not completion, summary completion, and all they can ask for. One set of matching type of question and also 3 to 4 MCQs will be there. Anyway, the reading will be easy for gender module. And about the writing section, for task 1 of academic, give more attention towards this line, bar, and table. And for task 2, outweigh type of question, that means advantage, outweigh, disadvantage. So in outweigh type of question, it's better to add third body paragraph also. If you think that advantage is more means, try to add an extra body paragraph for that, because many of them are not writing like that. So it's always better to add an extra body paragraph. If you think advantage is more or disadvantage is more means, try to give an extra body paragraph for that. So outweigh type of question, or else they can move on with opinion type. And for gender module candidate, informal later, and also in task 2, problem solution or opinion type essay. So that's about the overview regarding each and every test date. So I hope you understood what about the best test date. So for academic section, you can move on with 14th September, that will be cool. Or if you are ready to give means, you can just move on with the first test date, 7th September. For gender module candidate, I will suggest 28th September. Okay, so try to assess your capability and book for your test. You will get enough time to prepare also, and move on with updated material as I mentioned. And if you need any type of assistance means, you can just comment that below. And we are also providing online IELTS classes. Both crash sections and regular batches are available. So if you are a beginner means, it's better to move on with any regular section over a month and all. You will get the mock test also in weekly basis, and you will get daily corrections. It's 1-to-1 section. For each and every module you will get 1-to-1 section. So the crash section is also available from 10 days onwards. So if you are writing academic means, it's available for 15 days and 20 days batch. So you know all the basics and you need to brush up everything means, it's better to join for crash sections. And other than that, you need any particular skill training, listening and reading, or writing only, speaking only means, we have the facility for that too. And along with that, we are providing writing correction surveys. You will get the task 1 and task 2 questions based on the relevance in a daily basis. You can write and submit, and we will give detailed feedback for that. Like that, services are also available. And as I mentioned before, for reading module, the ebooks available in volume 1 and volume 2 format. So if you are planning to write September to December, means try to purchase at least volume 2. And for general module also, we have one edition for that. So that will be more than enough for your preparation. So if you want to purchase, means try to contact as soon as possible. So it charges 499. Okay, so you can expect the passages repeat in your exam from that ebook. So that's it regarding this particular section. And regarding this speaking cue cards, we will update regarding the new cue cards first, and we will make a sample sections, which means 8.5 sample also we will add like a mock section and all. Then you will be clear how to approach that particular cue card. I think that sections are really beneficial for you, and so try to cross check with our playlist. You will get more content related to IELTS and it will help you out in your preparation. And for speaking part 1 also, which all are the relevant topic, I will update as soon as possible. And for each and every test date which we discussed, we will make a preparation guide in detail about the audios, the type of question, the topics, the passages, everything we will mention in that. And for task 2, we are releasing the guide about the questions which you need to concentrate. Most of the time the questions are asking from that particular list only. So if you cross check with the latest exam and all, means that means the review section and all, means you will be clear about that. So if you want any more content, means try to comment that below. So that's it related to this particular section, and I will come back with more IELTS related content. So God bless you all and stay tuned.